Here she is, boys. Loves turbos and spray paint, so I knew this thing had to be for me.
Bert built spaceship is almost complete. Stricken here. Are you kidding me? Worth like $4,000.
That thing's junk.
What? Oh shit. Look at all this rust in here. Had to repair it.
Damn, dude, this truck looks so cool. Really is such a fucking good-looking truck.
Lower down the old window.
The window still works, that's good.
Listen to it. Sounds fucked. Four-wheel drive boosted launches in the cul-de-sac.
New or used, that don't matter, but this is just where the bolts are and how to do it. Well, we are back. 2 teeth left. I won't be talking much for a little bit. I just want to show you the determination that I have.
Just got your teeth pulled. Help me. Okay. Oh god. Oh god, I got you. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck you. Fucking cunt. She's going in like Flynn.
But next it's going to be, obviously, we're going to get the boiler on there, get the bumper on the back, and keep this build moving. No, my King Ranch, dude. Dude. Oh. But, so we got the square body, the 6.0, and the F-150. It's charged. Nice. Dude, this thing is sweet.
Whatever.
No way.